0 knots until 5 mile final.
170 until 5 mile final. Plus
November 1826 Kilo, Miami.
Approach, good afternoon, Hotel India 1045, leaving 6,500 with Kilo.
Hotel India 1045, Miami approach, expect the RNAV runway 27 at Fort Lauderdale, executive, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend and maintain 3,000, expecting RNAV 27, 1045.
Silver speed 69, turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 2,000.
Heading 180 down to 2,000, silver speed 69. Be crazy to look down like right now and see some guy getting eaten by a shark.
Oh man, it's like what can we do?
Yeah. You see like blood bubbling up as this guy's getting eaten by a shark. He's waving at us.
Silver
Like
speed 69, reduce speed to 170.
170 knots, silver speed 69.
Flaps 10, please.
389, contact Opal Locka Tower
Pardon me?
134.67.
Flaps 10,
Flaps 10.
3467.
Speed checks.
Transauto 804, proceed direct to Isros, descend and maintain 3,000.
Isros 3000, 804.
Silver speed 69, 3 from Isros, turn right heading 240, maintain 2,000 until established and localizer, cleared ILS 27 right approach.
Alright, 240 on the heading, 2,000 until established, cleared ILS 27 right approach, silver speed 69.
Miami departure, November 888, Quebec Delta 2000, heading 300.
November 888, Quebec Delta, Miami departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 3,000, turn left heading 280.
3,000, heading 280, Quebec Delta.
Looks alive.
Roger.
Low capture.
Miami 1826 Kilo, 5,000, setting 4,090 heading.
November 1826 Kilo, Miami approach, thank you.
You're welcome.
November 888, Quebec Delta, climb and maintain 5,000.
Climb and maintain 5,000, 888, Quebec Delta.
Silver speed 69, 170 or less, contact Opal Locka Tower 134.67.
Alright, 170 or less, going to Opal Locka Tower, silver speed 69. Locka Tower, silver speed 69 with the ILS 27 right, just about 4 miles from Joel.
Silver speed 69 up Locka Tower, runway 27 right, clear to land.
27 right, clear land, silver speed 69.
Alright, clear to land, let's go flaps 20.
Alliance 525, you know what the...
And going manual speed.
Runway 525, there's traffic on final, stand by.
I mean auto speeds.
I knew what you meant.
Thanks.
Glide slips live.
Got one for change for.
Alright, nice little capture. 2,000 smooth approach, so we're good there.
Left now, wing 27 left for the option.
3 Charlie Kilo again, report midfield.
Report midfield 87320.
Gear down.
Alright, gear down, speed checks. Alright, 3 green to down left.
3 green, I see it.
I got 4 in the air.
Alright, flaps 39 for lane checks.
39 speed checks. Alright.
Opal Locka Tower 873 Charlie Kilo left, downwind midfield 27 left.
Kilo, runway 27 left, clear correction.
27 left, clear protection go, 873 Charlie Kilo.
Officer indicating 39. Ref looking good. Inhibits on.
Wind check real quick.
We get a wind check, please.
Wind 250 at 16, gust 21.
Alright, there you go. Not too bad. Too much crosswind.
Nope.
Ocean 389, turn left, Foxtrot, contact ground.
Alright, before landing checklist is complete, we're clear to land. Stable.
Autopilot's away.
Head, Locka Tower, 73 Charlie Kilo, amending the request, full stop.
3 Charlie Kilo, 27 left, clear to land.
27 left, clear to land, 873 Charlie Kilo.
500. Good. Close to 8.
Charlie 284 up like
400. Approaching minimums.
Charlie 284, hold short runway 30.
Hold short on runway 3.
Minimums.
284.
Continue.
300.
Roger.
Auto throttles away.
200. 100. 50.
Idle.
40. 30. 20. 10.
Two unlocked. Two deployed. Coming through 90. 80. 70.
Silver speed 69, turn left when able, contact ground.
Left when able, contact ground. Silver speed 69.
Alright, going to go.
Right.
Hello, Tower Transauto 804, ILS 27 right.
Transauto 804, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Land 27 right, 804.
Reliant 525, fly heading 300, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, flight
When you're ready.
300,
Alrighty.
Reliant 525.
Locka ground. Silver speed 69. Clearing 27 right. Going to Atlantic Aviation.
Silver speed 690 for Locka ground, back to Atlantic, via Papa Charlie.
Papa Charlie to parking. Silver speed 69. Okay, you're clear right.
Silver Charlie,
Clear left.
information Yankee,
Turn left,
current
Papa.
altimeter 2974.
Starting APU. We said 4 hours and 22 minutes. Look at that.
Nice.
Another on-time flight.
At 20472, stand by for a frequency in the squawk.
Thank you for connecting. We are going to fly for
20472, hold position.
clear right.
Number 20472, departure frequency 128.6, squawk 4362.
4362, 1 table 6, perfect.
And clear right.
Level 4, Papa Charlie, continue, contact tower today.
Continue and contact tower, thank you.
I already got the video guy out.
Yep, we got the video on another Rolls Royce.
November 20472, taxi to the roundup area via Papa.
Taxi to the roundup area via Papa, perfect.
Flows, parking brake, transponder, I got that on standby. Power transfer unit. Belt sign, got one.
It's not our.
Nose wheel steering?
Transfer to
Oh.
Alright,
Golf.